Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Kyle from the band 10 Years and also Brave the Royals. Just chilling here with Jamie, and I want to give you guys a little run through of the cymbal setup I have on tour right now with 10 Years. And a lot of this I've been using for the last 2 years maybe, with new additions here and there. Over here I have the 7-inch Saluda bell. Fun little toy, comes in handy. I got the 13-inch Glory hi-hats. I did the fusion bottom on mine, so they're nice and chunky. Here we have a 17-inch, this is the Symbolic Crash. Here, Jamie made me a 13-inch prototype China, which pairs perfectly with my 17 Glory here, which is hands down just one of the best Chinas I've ever owned. So much so that I've ordered several and gone through several, so these are the perfect pair right here. I also have a 20-inch Symbolic Ride, which we did for medium volume. Nice pingy bell. Have the 18-inch Nemesis Crash here. 14-inch prototype Crash. And yeah, there you have it. The necessary things and a couple extra things just for fun.
Check, check.